Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair JBL Flip 5 with iPhone. And to do this, first let's enter Bluetooth on our iPhone, so scroll down notification bar, here enter Bluetooth, hold your finger onto it and then hold it again. Here's Bluetooth settings. Now make sure that you're disconnected from any other device and that the Bluetooth is enabled. Then we can move to the speaker, power it on with a power switch right here. You might need to hold it for a few seconds. Then click on the Bluetooth button once. You'll enter pairing mode. Now find your JBL Flip 5 in other devices, click on it, and now it's connected with your iPhone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.